SCON Design India PVT Ltd stands at the forefront of industrial innovation, offering premier shed fabrication services that cater to diverse business needs. With a commitment to excellence, our team of skilled engineers and technicians leverages cutting-edge technology to design and construct robust, customized sheds that meet the highest industry standards. Our comprehensive shed fabrication process encompasses everything from initial concept development to final installation, ensuring a seamless experience for our clients. We specialize in creating versatile structures suitable for warehousing, manufacturing facilities, and agricultural applications, among others. By utilizing advanced CAD software and state-of-the-art fabrication equipment, we guarantee precision in every aspect of the shed's construction. At SCON Design, we pride ourselves on delivering solutions that not only meet but exceed client expectations. Our sheds are engineered to withstand diverse environmental conditions, offering superior durability and longevity. We place a strong emphasis on energy efficiency and sustainability, incorporating eco-friendly materials and designs that contribute to reduced operational costs for our clients. Quality assurance is paramount in our operations. Each project undergoes rigorous testing and quality checks to ensure compliance with international safety standards and local building regulations. Our dedicated project management team oversees every phase of the fabrication process, maintaining open communication channels with clients to address any specific requirements or modifications promptly. For businesses seeking reliable, cost-effective, and innovative shed fabrication solutions, SCON Design India PVT Ltd is the partner of choice. Our track record of successful projects across various industries speaks to our expertise and commitment to client satisfaction. To explore how our shed fabrication services can benefit your business, please visit our website or contact our team for a personalized consultation.